All right, I'm coming to you with another new command update. This time it is in contacts, and we now have the ability to filter our contacts to find out who is on any smart plan or who is on a particular smart plan, or just who's not on any smart plans. So we're starting here in our contacts, and we are going to click into the filters up here at the top. And in our filters drawer that opens up here, there is now an option for smart plans. So if I click on smart plans, I can go and I can filter by contacts that are not active on any smart plans right now. I can filter by contacts who are active on any smart plan, meaning they might be on the quarterly call plan, they might be on the monthly neighborhood nurture, or I can even filter by a specific smart plan. So let's just start with any smart plan and click apply. So now here are my 492 contacts that are on smart plans. And if I go back into the filters, I could flip that around and say who's not on any smart plans. And there we go, 2000. I got a lot of work to do. And if I go back into filters, I can even go in and look at a specific smart plan. So let's look at, let's show more here. Let's see who is on I got a lot of smart plans in here, so it does take me a minute to flip through them all. Let's see who is on my quarterly call plan. Go ahead and hit apply. And there we go. There's 337 contacts there. So you can use this also in conjunction with your advanced filters here in the filter drawer by clicking advanced at the top. And I could say, show me anybody whose birthday is not empty. So I want to see any contact who has a birthday. And then I want to add a filter here. And I want to say smart plans excludes. And if I search for birthday, okay, I could say, show me anybody who I have a birthday, but I don't have on the birthday smart plan. Go ahead and hit apply. And those 148 people that I've got in my contacts, I have their birthday in the system, but I don't have them on a smart plan yet. So these would be great people. And I could go here, up my quantity contacts per page, select all. And then with that bulk action, I could add them right from here to my birthday smart plan by just hitting select. Now there are some people that have missing phone numbers, so it is going to error out when it goes to give me a task to call them for their birthday, but that's okay. They'd still get the other touches. So, and along those lines, you can use this in anything. You can say, show me whose home anniversary is not empty, meaning that I have their home anniversary in the system, but for the smart plan, I don't have them on my home anniversary smart plan. I hit apply. So this is going to show me who has a home anniversary in command, but's not on the smart plan yet. So you can see how powerful this can get to find out who you should be adding to different smart plans and who you maybe thought you had in there getting some smart plans, but they slipped through the cracks. It's easy for that to happen over time. So go ahead and check out the filters, check out that smart plan filter so that you can find and fill those missing gaps, but then actually start the communication to those people very easily right with that bulk action right from there.